much raw Vikingness contained.
I got pretty like a girl. He got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel.
The point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not. Hiccup is not that boy.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself.
300 years and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons. So just plummet or any ideas?
Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one.
What? One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
My name is Miguel O'Hara. I'm this dimension's one and only Spider-Man.
Save him.
At least I was.
Let the world burn, let the world give me you. This is how it always felt. If I can have you, then no one can.
They don't have a leader, just a villain.